Okay, welcome back to Temperature Bells, everyone. A quick update for you on the vacuum engine mount issue. What I've done here is I've used this clamp to clamp off the delivery side of the vacuum valve. That is the vacuum going to the vacuum engine mounts, just to see if that cures the problem. Now, if we open up the oil filler cap, that noise we had before has gone. And also, the best thing of all, if you have a look at the dash, there's no warning lights about the check engine. That light has gone, and also engine system service required light has gone as well. So that says to me very much that the vacuum engine mounts are the cause of the problem, and that if we fix them and replace them with new ones, the rough running and the poor MPG should disappear. Happy days.